consider carrying one of your grandparents. And they are very, because most of them are taking bullets. You know that they carry one person, so they dress up with police uniform. So they were opening the vehicle like this. So I thought it was a police. So one vehicle was in our front. One wheel of white color, they do the roof. So they fired that one. Now the man went inside there, they start saying, go the police, and I think that's it. So those people now gone here and they go see our vehicle now. Now where they begin fire, now we begin to put out them. Now where they took themselves run inside it, we begin follow.
So this thing that waiting happened yesterday in Enugu State. They said a reverend father and the people that were with him were kidnapped and taken into the bush. This thing happened along Ugwuogo Opi Nsukka Express Road in Enugu State. So please, if you know this road and you have been applying this road, when you get to this particular point, always be careful. Because from what I heard, this is not the first time, second time, or third time it is happening. People say that this particular spot is just like business as usual for them. So always be careful. I want you to watch the video and then sit for yourself. Thank you.
Consider carrying one of your grandparents. And they are very, because most of them are taking bullets. You know that they carry one person, so they dress up with police uniform. So they were opening the vehicle like this. So I thought it was a police. So one vehicle was in our front. One wheel of white color, they do the roof. So they fired that one. Now the man went inside there, they start saying, go the police, and I think that's it. So those people now gone here and they go see our vehicle now. Now where they begin fire, now we begin to put out them. Now where they took themselves run inside it, we begin follow them for the bush. Then they fire with the fire till they enter the bush. Why then one don't carry the man, move while we were within ourselves. Carry the man in the car. Then they see the motor there now. From the back.
From here, get the fire. I don't have any man.
Okay, we spray tire for the motor.
Yes.
I'm saying here.
Not gonna be there.
Who must have got it? We change go the tire. We change here. Can I move?
All right, this one and another one will happen for Agulu in Anambra State. This man and his friend, they luckily, miraculously escaped from this unknown gunmen. According to the man, he said that his friend that was with him in the car, that they came to kidnap his friend, but they escaped. But you need to see how they use bullets design their car. You go know, say na no be small miracle God do for these people. Like, if na me be them, they go use one of the most precious things where they have, go do Thanksgiving. God no be small miracle. You have to look at the way they design their car with the bullets. Why do you and then sit for yourself? Thank you.
No, Ọkwachukwu m n'abalị ụnyaahụ na Agulu. Ndị abịala kidnap onye mụ na ya nọ na moto. Abịa kidnap onye mụ na ya nọ na moto. By the special grace of God, we had to escape with our lives. If ebe ha nọ wee gbarikọcha moto mbụ ha bịazi ogbugbu ka ha bịazi nke ikpeazụ ma glaasị ma n'enu ebe mgbe egbe chọọ isi wee memina m n'ebe o si wee pụta wee tụọ m n'isi ọbara wee na-agba yesterday, mana thank God Chukwu zola anyị ndụ ine anyị afụ nke dị ebe ma nke dị na glass enyi nwoke n'ebe a m gbọtụtara ya n'akụkụ but he's well so ọkwa nke a ka anyị jetela na mgbede ụnyaahụ na Agulu onye ọbụla dịkwa very conscious kịta